Hello everybody, so today I will talk about algebra. The topic today is about factorization. So now I will show you the technique. We need to concentrate about this one. And we can see that we got about r squared plus h squared minus 2rs. This one we can put about r minus s to the power of 2. This one we have 2, and we have t and t. So we can put about 2t, and we have r minus h. So the next one we have r minus h and r minus h. So we can put about r minus h, and we got about r minus s in here because we have the power 2 plus 2t, and that's the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.